Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to expand your photos using AI in CapCut? With the AI Expand feature, CapCut can generate new content around your image and extend the background automatically using AI. Let me show you how to use it on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First, open CapCut on your device. Tap Edit. Next, go to Photo Tools. Then tap AI Expand. Now choose the image you want to expand. After selecting your image, tap Add. CapCut will now open the AI Expand editor. Here, you can choose the aspect ratio you want to use. Select the ratio that best fits your project. Next, look for the text box label describe what you want to generate. In this example, type juices, then tap Generate. CapCut will now process the image using AI. This process may take a little time depending on the image and prompt. Once the generation is finished, CapCut will display several AI-generated results. Browse through the generated images and choose the result you like best. Tap Save to store the generated image, then tap the checkmark button. Finally, tap Export to save the final image to your device. And that's how to use AI Expand in CapCut on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.